So here's your first one. This is australianmade.com.au. So I'm just showing you, because you asked me specifically about Australia. This is what you'd use. So send to all, australianmade.com.au. So you just enter what product it is you're wanting to find, and then you'll be able to find Australian-made products. This is, I think, much better for finding wholesale products, or for finding products that you're going to take into other countries like India, for instance. So I was speaking to Brad Holland over the weekend, who's our resident Amazon India expert, and this is one of the methodologies, one of the strategies that I use when I'm looking for products to wholesale or export, in my case, into other countries such as India. This is one way of finding great Australian-made products. All right, so it's a really good wholesale resource, australianmade.com.au. Next up, Austrade. So this is all about Aussie, send to all, bigger Aussie companies. So this is where you start dealing with factories and manufacturers. Okay, so international. So from this drop down menu at the top, just go to international, and then you're going to say find Australian suppliers. So it says buy Australia, find Australian suppliers. Click on that. And now, again, you just search for whatever niche it is that you're looking to find in. And this will find you heaps and heaps of great factories and manufacturers. So just like in China, you'd go and look for a factory or a manufacturer. In Australia, we've obviously got a manufacturing industry. Most people don't really think about it, but it's actually a great manufacturing industry. And you can go and do the same thing there. So if you want to find an Aussie supplier, you can go and do that. And then the last one I've got for you as well, really simple, is I use global sources as well. Give you that link. Doink. Send to all, which is just globalsources.com. And there are bazillions of great suppliers, not just in Australia, right around the world. And global sources tends to be bigger companies and factories and manufacturers direct. So on Alibaba, you typically find heaps and heaps of middlemen, which is good. You want to find them, okay? Particularly when you're trying to order not very much volume when you're first starting out. You actually want to use a middleman. Whereas with global sources, there's not many middlemen. It's mostly factories and the manufacturers direct, okay? But there's heaps and heaps to find there. I also look at trade shows as well. I do lots and lots of research looking at trade shows. So find a trade show within your niche, and then look at the exhibitor list of that trade show, and you'll find heaps and heaps of companies that are actively working to build their company and build their products. And of course, they're very good people to contact directly and speak to about supplying you. So that's 4 great options for you, okay? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.